Imagine a world where humanity has a second home, a planet just next door with endless possibilities for exploration, colonization, and survival. But here's the catch. This planet is Venus, a scorching, toxic wasteland with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. So, what if we could terraform Venus? What if we could turn this inferno into a paradise? Stick around because this isn't just science fiction. It's a plan that scientists are already working on. Before we can talk about terraforming Venus, we need to understand why it's such a hostile place. Venus is often called Earth's evil twin. It's similar in size and gravity, but that's where the similarities end. Its atmosphere is a suffocating mix of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid, and its surface pressure is 92 times that of Earth's. Oh, and did I mention it's hotter than your oven on max setting? So how could we possibly make this planet livable? Let's break it down. Terraforming Venus would be the ultimate engineering challenge. Step 1, cool the planet down. Scientists have proposed using giant solar shades to block sunlight and reduce the greenhouse effect. Step 2, remove the CO2. This could involve introducing bacteria or chemical processes to convert the carbon dioxide into something useful, like oxygen or even solid carbon. And step 3, create water. Venus has almost no water, but we could potentially import it from comets or asteroids. Sounds crazy, right? But these ideas are grounded in real science. So, why go through all this trouble? Well, a terraformed Venus could be humanity's insurance policy. With Earth facing challenges like climate change, overpopulation, and resource depletion, having a second habitable planet could ensure our survival. Plus, Venus is closer to Earth than Mars, making it easier to travel back and forth. Imagine a future where humans live on 2 planets, exploring the cosmos and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Of course, terraforming Venus isn't without its risks. The process could take centuries, if not millennia, and the cost would be astronomical. Literally. There's also the risk of unintended consequences, like destabilizing Venus's atmosphere or creating new environmental problems. And let's not forget the ethical questions. Should we even be altering another planet when we haven't fully fixed our own? These are big questions with no easy answers. While terraforming Venus is still a distant dream, scientists are already taking the first steps. Missions like NASA's Da Vinci and Veritas aim to study Venus's atmosphere and surface in unprecedented detail. These missions could provide the data we need to turn science fiction into reality. So what do you think? Should we aim for the stars? Or in this case, the planet next door? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our deep dives into the cosmos. And let me know, do you think terraforming Venus is humanity's next big step? Or should we focus on fixing Earth first? Until next time, keep looking up.